Hey everyone, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to start seeds for hydroponics, and if you follow my method, this will ensure that you can germinate the seeds in days rather than in weeks. So let's get started. So first let's take a look at the different items that I've got here. This is a tray that you would need to keep the grow cubes and then do the entire process for germination. So it does not have any holes or anything. It's just a normal tray that I got from a local store. And then this is the grow cube sheet that I'm using. It's something that I got from Amazon. I'll be sharing a link for this in the description section of this video. So it's not made out of rock wool, it's something different, but it works pretty well. The reason why I got this is because rock wool cubes are kind of expensive in my country, so I thought of going for a cheaper option, and this thing does a great job. So yeah, this is the thing that you would need. And then the next thing that we have here is a spray bottle. So this is something that I got from IKEA. You can use any spray bottle of your choice, and the solution that is in here is a hydroponic solution. So you'll have to prepare this by buying hydroponic nutrients from maybe Amazon or any other hydroponic store, and then it needs to be mixed in a particular quantity with plain water. So they have specific instructions on how much quantity you need to mix with plain water, and then you can use this as a nutrient solution for not just the germination part, but it can be used for the hydroponic system as well. Next, this is just a random cloth that I have here. So I'm gonna be using this to create a humid environment for the first few days, and that's kind of essential for the seeds to germinate faster. So what I'll be doing is I'll be spraying this with water and then covering this particular grow cube with this cloth for the initial 2 days, so that the seeds germinate faster. And the last thing that you would need are some good quality seeds. So for this particular example, I'm using spinach seeds, but you can use anything of your choice that is suitable for a hydroponic system. Alright, so now that we have all of the items together, let's begin with the actual process. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is moisten this block of grow cube. So for that, I'm going to be using the hydroponic solution that I have prepared earlier, and I will simply pour it on top of this grow cube. And after that's done, I'm going to be placing seeds in the holes of this grow cube. So you just need to drop them in. There's nothing special that you need to do here. So I'm going to pause the video for a while so that I complete this entire thing. Okay, so now I've added 2 seeds in each of these holes, and now comes the final part of the preparation. So I will be covering this with the cloth that I showed earlier, and then we'll spray a little water on this cloth to keep it moist. So let's leave it like this for a couple of days, and in between, if the cloth goes dry, I'm gonna be moistening it again with the spray bottle. Yeah, so let's check the results after 2 days. So 2 days are over now. Let's check the status of our seeds. So as you can see, the seeds have germinated properly, and now for the next few days we won't be covering this with the cloth. Instead, we will be spraying this with the hydroponic solution like 2 times a day, in the morning and in the evening, just to ensure that the block stays moist and gives a proper medium for the seedling to grow. And once we start seeing some true leaves, that's when we'll transplant this individual block to a net cup. You can do it also in the phase where this plant starts getting seed leaves, but in that case you will have to spray this hydroponic solution in the net cup even when it's transplanted to the hydroponic system. So these are the results that we've got after 15 days, and as you can see, along with the seed leaves we also have got the true leaves, which means that this is ready to be transplanted to a hydroponic system. And this is a little DIY hydroponic system that I've built myself. So we'll be transplanting each block of this grow cube in here, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's it for this one, guys. If you have any questions about the process that I just showed here, you can post them in the comment section below. And yeah, thank you for watching this video, and do subscribe to my channel.